Hello friends, welcome you back. So today we'll discuss exercise 6.3 page 138 of your book. So let's start. So question number 1 of your exercise 6.3 saying state which pair of the triangles in figure are similar. So there are a lot of pair of triangles are here. You can see. You have to state which pair of triangles in this figure are similar. Write the similarity criterion. Also have to write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the questions, and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So you have to write also the pair of similar triangle in symbolic form, and you have to also write the similarity criterion. So let's start. First we will go to your question number I. Here you can see triangle ABC and triangle PQR is there. Here angle A equal to angle P. You can see angle A equals angle P. Angle B equals angle Q. Angle C equals angle R. Okay. So here three angles of one triangle is equal to corresponding three angles of another triangle. Therefore, these two triangles will be similar, and the similarity criterion is angle, angle, angle. And you can write it like this: triangle ABC, ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and the criterion is A, isn't it? Well, very easy questions are here. So again we will move to the question number double I. So here we will see. Okay, here angles are not been given. Here sides are given. Here you can see AB side is 2 centimeter or 2 units. Say AB is 2 unit. 2 3 is 6 is here, and 3 3 is 9 now. So if you can see 2 2s are 4 here. That means AB may be corresponding. AB side is corresponding to maybe say QR side, isn't it? Okay. Similarly, AC is 3 centimeter, 3 2s. If you have multiplied 2 here, that means the ratio must be same, isn't it? In order to be similar. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. That means these two sides are corresponding, and AB and QR are corresponding. Here you can see BC equal to 2.5 and PR equal to 5. That means 2.5 into 2 is equal to 5s. So BC is corresponding to PR. You can write it. Here we will write AB equal to 2, QR equal to 4. Therefore, okay. Similarly, AC equal to 3 and PQ equal to 6, and BC equal to 5 and PR equal to 2.5 and 5. Therefore, you can write, one second, I'll delete all these things. You can write here AB by QR equal to BC by RP equal to SC by QP. Therefore, triangle A, B, C. You have to see the correspondence. So you can clearly see A is corresponding to which side? Q side. So first you write Q. B is corresponding to which side? Here you can see 2 2s are 4 and 2.5 into 2 is 5. Therefore, B is corresponding to R. So Q R, and write it triangle symbol. Q R another 60. So triangle ABC is similar to QRP, and what is the criterion for similarity? Here, side, side, side. Okay. Okay. Then we will move to the next one. Okay. So now triple I. The triple I you can see first we'll see here also three sides are given, here also three sides are given. So let's compare the three sides. MP is 2 centimeter, here it is MDE is 4 centimeter, means 2 into 2 4, okay, then 3 into 2 6 is here, and 2 into 7 into 2 must, okay, it's not equal to, you can see 2 into 7, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 3 into 2 equal to 6, 4 is there, 6 is there, but 2.7 into 2 equal to here is 4, 5.4. So 5.4, there is no 5.4, there is 5 centimeter 5 unit. So these two triangles must not be similar. You can write it here. Here these two triangles are not similar. Okay. Then we'll move to the IV. IV also you can see. Yes. Here you can see two sides and one angle, okay na? Or one angle and two sides in between. Similarly, one angle, two sides in between are given. So we have to compare. First thing is angle is same. There is no problem with the angle. Now we'll see the sides. Here you can see one side is 5 centimeter. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, then here 2.5 into 2 must be equal to 5, but it is 6. Therefore these two triangles are not. Okay, you can see angles are same, but sides are not in proportion. There must be at least two sides they are in proportion, and these two sides must be in both sides of that angle, or including that angle, isn't it? So here these two triangles are not similar. Then we'll move to the IV. This one is here IV. Here also you can see one angle is there, one side. Okay, our criterion is angle and two side included in between. Okay na? But here you can see one of the angle is given, but one side is adjacent side is given, other side is not the adjacent one, but we need that. But our theorem is angle must be equal and the sides included must be proportional. That means AB and SC, here EF and DF, they should be proportional. But here you can see AC is not given, isn't it? So we can find the value of AC, so that we can say these two triangles are not similar. They are also not similar. So here data is inadequate. So again we'll move to VI. So here VI will compare. First we'll delete. VI में देखेंगे हम. VI, here you can see two angles. Okay, two angles are there. Okay, we have a criteria. If three angles of one triangle is equal to another three angles of another, corresponding three angles of another triangle, then these two triangles must be similar. The criterion was supposed to be A. That means angle similarity criterion. Here you can note one thing. If two angles of one triangle is equal to corresponding two angle of another triangle, then also these two triangles can be similar. Why? Because if there are three angles, one is three angles. If two angles are equal, then definitely the third angle will also be equal. Okay, let's see. One of the angle is 70 degree. 70 degree is not here. Okay, let's see another one. One of the angle is 80 degree. Here 80 degree is there. Okay, we can find the last angle. If two angles are there, third angle we can find. So two angles are 70 degree plus 80 degree. That means 70 plus 80 degree symbols you can give. So 0, 150. Okay, 150 degree, and the third angle must be 180 degree minus 150. So 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree. Okay, so this angle is 30 degree. Okay, here also same story will be happening. here one of the angle is 30, one of the angle is 80, that there must be angle P. You can find the value of angle P. So angle P will be, yes, 70 degree. So to find that, that will be 70 degree. So here now you can compare between these two triangles. See, 80 degree, 80 degree. D is here 70 degree, 70 degree is also here. 30 degree, 30 degree. So here three angles of one triangle is equal to corresponding three angles of another triangle. Therefore, we can say these two triangles are what? Similar. Let's write it. So first of all, we will see the correspondence. So D is corresponding. First we write triangle D E F is similar to triangle D, who is corresponding to D. Okay, P, because D is 70 degree, P is also 70 degree. So triangle P. E is corresponding to E is 80 degree. Where is 80 degree? Yes, Q. P Q. Right, Q. F is corresponding. Sorry, F is equal to 30 degrees. So that angle R is also 30 degrees. So F will be corresponding to R. So triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR, and the criterion is angle criteria. Okay, thank you.